Did you notice that after killing people in GTA, their money falls out? Now if we want to simulate this in Unity, first of all, we need an object, for example this money, which is going to be produced after the character dies. The way the character dies was already explained in the previous tutorial. Its structure is somehow that with this code. After clicking on the character dies. Now we want this money or any other object to be produced after the character dies. I added a particle in the object subset to make it more eye-catching. Select the object. To detect collisions, give it a box slider. And for physics, add a rigid body to it. Now convert object to prefab and remove it from scene. Now let's go to this animation. Like always, we are going to use event trigger. Select desired frame, then click Add Event button. Now choose event. This is where the desired void should be executed. So go to player script, define a new void called death. We are going to produce the object, which for us is the money in it. Define a game object called money. Then write instantiate command for it in this void. Open Unity. To make the money have a better view when appears, it needs an animation. We want our object to be appeared very interesting. So in first frame, make its size 0. Then make its size 1. A bit further, make its size half. And a bit more further, change its size to 0.65. Here is the result. Now to increase its speed, decrease the distance between frames. And this is the last result. I think the animation looks good. Don't forget surely disable loop time option of created animation, so that the animation doesn't play over and over. Now select prefab, press apply all button to save all chains. Let's go for dying animation. Click created event trigger and select define death void. Let's test it out. Press play. By clicking on character dies, and as the animation reaches event trigger, money appears. If you pay attention, the object appearing is not quite good. The object doesn't produce very well. Why? It's because of player's collider. So in a script where the player dies, disable its collider. Here is the result. The money will appear at the player's position. Now, what if we want to produce the object exactly where the player dies? Right-click on character's body and create an empty game object called target. We are going to produce our object in this position. So again, open a script, define a transform called target. And in instantiate command, instead of this, write target.position. Let's test. Before it, give target to target. Now we can see the object appears in exact position where player dies. If you want to make appearing more interesting, you can throw object upward after producing. So go in a script and with add force method, throw object upward. And this is the last result. You can produce any object in any desired way after dying characters. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thanks for watching guys. Like always, have a great day.